Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. I do videos all about fashion, so stick around. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing, which I am super excited about. Now, my last Stitch Fix was probably my best ever Stitch Fix that I've gotten. I asked for comfy, cozy pieces, and I got comfy, cozy pieces, and I've already worn the pieces multiple times, almost all of them, and I was extremely happy with that box. I did do a 5 for 5, so link to that one if you have not watched it and you want to see a wonderfully successful box. So I hope this one will be as wonderfully successful as last time, and I basically just was like, hey, more cozy. Last time it worked out really great. I loved it. Let's do it again. So let's see what we have here. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a style service, perhaps the most popular style service, where you fill out a style survey, a stylist picks out 5 items and has them sent to you with a $20 styling fee, but that does get applied to anything you purchase. I do have a referral link below that if you would like to try it for yourself, you get $25 off of your first box. I get $25. It's a win-win. It's beautiful. They give you 3 days for you to decide what to keep and send back what you don't want to keep. They only charge you for what you keep, and you get 25% off if you buy all 5 items. That is the spiel. They give you a mailer to send back what you're not going to keep. They send you a price sheet so you know how much everything costs. And here we go. I'm actually really surprised to see jewelry in here. Maybe I turned jewelry on. I think I updated my style survey recently. I shut off jewelry and accessories because I was just like, give me clothes, I want clothes. I got some clothes now. So now I'm all like, okay, if they want to send me some accessories and stuff like that, you know, why not? So we have these earrings here that they sent. Oh, that's upside down, but still, there you go. I don't love them. I'm just, they're okay. They're cute. I like that they have a little bit of sparkle to them. I'm more of a big old statement earring type person. I got this like long hair that I straighten. I rarely curl it, and I feel like my statement earrings is like, it breaks up the monotony of my hair. At least that's what I tell myself. So I don't tend to go for small earrings, but they're cute. So there we go. Now there is the look at the bundle. Let's dive in. Okay, first up we have this sweater. It's a zip up hoodie sweater, striped, which I am a striped gal. Kind of a beige, gray, and tan, if you will, color combination. This is by Evolution. I don't know that I love it. I don't pull it out and be like, ooh, that's amazing, but it is within the comfort world, so I am interested in that. Then we have by Fortune and Ivy this purple 3/4 sleeve shirt, tunic top, tunic, buttons on the side here. I like the purple. That's very pretty, and I do like the buttons on the side. That makes it unique, so I like it. Then we have, this is by, ooh, I like the feel of this. Okay, this is by GLYDER, and it is super soft on the inside. Super soft. So, and I think it's just kind of a black sweatshirt, it looks like. Kind of a more cropped boxy, which is what I've been going for, but so soft inside. I really like that. That potentially is a keeper. Then we have by STS Blue, we've got a pair of skinnies. It looks like a clean pair, 10-inch high-rise. So I do like a high-rise. So we'll just see if it knocks my socks off once I put it on. So, okay, good pieces. I like everything. I think there was only one piece there that I loved, but I like everything. So we'll see what we think once we put them on. Let's get to it. Okay, so I have 2 of the pieces on right now. Let's start at the top. I like the purple color. I think that's really pretty. I don't mind the 3/4 length, but for winter stuff, I do prefer a long sleeve because I can't. I limit my skin exposure to the world this time of year. The buttons on the side are cute. Overall, I think it's a cute shirt. I'm just not really looking for tunic type tops right now. Obviously, these would be good with a pair of leggings or something like that. But the fact that it's not super warm for this season and it's a tunic, kind of just like, I doubt I'll keep it. No. The jeans are a good high rise. They feel nice. They're a decent length. I did have to do a single roll at the bottom. Nice clean pant I could wear to work. But I feel like I have several pairs that are in this color that are clean pants. So that, and I do feel like I have a lot of extra room here. So I would probably need to size down, and I just don't know that I like these enough to size down. These are just a standard skinny jean. So next up. Okay, here we go with the black glider top. And this is clearly, I think Glider is an activewear brand, and it's got these slits here on the side, which are cute. Again, it's super warm, kind of sweatshirty material on the inside. I don't know if it front tucks that well with the slit, so it is kind of a, here, so you can see it is kind of a, probably leave it down, but it's not super long, which I like that. And what's that? Thumb holes. I really like this. I think it is cute, and both cute and cozy, which is kind of what I'm looking for right now. Cute and cozy. So I am a fan, and we'll see how much it costs. Let's go to the next top. All right, so here the top is just zipped up, and I didn't bother to put a shirt underneath, so it will stay that way. But it's kind of sweatery material, but still pretty thin, pretty lightweight, pretty cool. I think it's cute. Again, there's the hoodie, the 360. It's a decent length. It's not too long, not too short. It fits perfectly in that cute casual category. I'm just not sure if I'm just excited enough about it. I might change my mind once I watch this back, or the price or something like that, but I'm kind of on this piece as well. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Okay, so that brings us to, let's go over prices and decide what to keep. Okay, let's start at the top here. This is fix number 45. That's just crazy to me. Okay, at the top here, we have STS Blue, the Ellie Skitty high-rise jean. It is $59. I like it. Didn't really have any complaints for it. I just am cleaning out some jeans, and I don't know that these were spectacular enough to keep, but they were soft and they feel good. So I don't think these will be keepers. Then we have by Evolution by CYRUS. This is the Varun zip front cardigan, and it is $64. I like it. It's nice quality, but it's also on the thinner side, which, you know, is perfectly normal for something like this, but it's just not a standout for me. I do like the stripes on it and coloring, but it just doesn't excite me. Then we have by GLYDER. This is the Joanna Lounge long sleeve tee, and this is $68. Now, I do really like this, and I'm probably going to put it back on to get my final thoughts on it. But $68, I don't know, I don't think I $68 like it, and since I'm not doing a 5 for 5, there's no discount, I don't have any credit, so I'd be paying the full $68, and I'm struggling with that a little bit. So this is a maybe for me, and like I said, I'm going to put it back on and see if it is something that I truly, truly love. If not, I may end up sending the entire box back. It's a good box, but I may end up sending everything back. Okay, we have the Fortune and Ivy. This is the Amiel button detail ruched top, and $42. So that's a decent price for it. Love the dark, deep purple of it. I do really like that color. I just think I was a little bit underwhelmed by it. I'm not really looking for tunic type tops, so I'm just not going to keep that. Then we have the chain drop earrings. These are $49. I did not try them on because I knew I just didn't like them enough to keep. So not going to keep that. Also $49. Oh, by All Saints, $49 is quite a bit for earrings. So the cost for the entire box is $282. If you buy all five items, you get 25% off, which would take off $70.50 and leave the order total to be $211.50. So obviously I am not going 5 for 5, and I might actually be going 0 for 5. I like everything, just wasn't super excited about things. I did go 5 for 5 in my last box, so makes me feel a little bit better about not getting anything here. Again, I might get the glider top, that black top. So love to hear you guys' thoughts, what you think I should keep. I probably will get this up before I check out, so your opinions are always greatly appreciated. So anyways, that is my Stitch Fix. Again, if you are interested in trying it, I have a referral link below that gets us both $25 off. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.